If you didn't sell here, you can sell at the breakout of the lower trend line. But there was a price rejection, and the candle that follows it shows indecision. Later, the bulls came in, and this triggered indecision in the market. Some traders can decide to go short here, taking this as a pullback after breakout. It's better to go short from here, because the appearance of a bearish candlestick increased the chances of success. Stop loss level can be placed here or above the level. Luckily for traders who took their shot here, prices continued downwards. There is another important thing for you to note here. Previous support and resistance levels can be considered as good entry opportunities. Let's highlight this area. Here is another level. Same with here. You place these levels, hoping that future prices would react to it, but there is no guarantee it would. Consequently, prices reacted here. Candlesticks of small real bodies and long shadows that formed here shows indecision in the market. The close of this bearish candlestick was a good entry opportunity. This is how a short position will look from here. The stop level should be placed above this resistance level. You can place your first take profit below the previously selected level. This is still considered as a good risk-to-reward ratio. After the small pips movement, prices also tested this level. This evening star is a good reversal pattern, so you trade at the close of it. When you make an entry, you will have a position like this. The stop loss will be above this level as well. To get subsequent target levels in the market, always observe the movement of price in a higher time frame. This is the daily time frame. The market price will most likely react to this level, so you can consider it as a target option. Consider here too. So highlight this level. This level also offered a good risk-to-reward ratio. A simple strategy like this will earn you a lot of profit in the market. Did you trade this price movement? Never miss out on trading opportunities again. Join our team and be ahead of other traders. Tutorials for beginners inclusive.